And these are the last 6 firms we're going to introduce because they're all award winners from this morning's Provider Services Conference that's going on in another part of this center. First, we have the Met the Challenge Award. The Met the Challenge Award recognizes the firm with the biggest increase in NPS, along with the highest percentage increase in requests for service. This year's award winner, Madden & Associates from the state of California. Next is the Difference Maker Award. The Difference Maker Award recognizes the firm with the highest amount saved or collected in total for their members and the highest average amount saved or collected per member. I know earlier Kathy shared with you the amazing numbers of saving over $28.5 million for our members this past year. To tell you how competitive it is, the finalists for this award saved over collectively $13.1 million.